Heavy-duty trucking is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions. At such a crossroad, hydrogen-based mobility offers a transformative solution. At the heart of this clean mobility movement is Avina Clean Hydrogen. With its bold climate policies, futuristic infrastructure, and access to major transportation routes, we have chosen California to be the launchpad for Avina's entry in hydrogen mobility. Our state-of-the-art facility in Southern California will be one of the largest on-site production and dispensing facility for renewable hydrogen. Blessed with a continuous supply of potable water and electric power from City of Vernon for round-the-clock hydrogen production, our facility will be using PEM water electrolysis technology to produce pure green hydrogen at the highest efficiency. The process of making the hydrogen ready for transport involves a two-stage compression system and two-stage storage system. First, the generated clean hydrogen is compressed in diaphragm compressors. The compressed hydrogen is transferred to medium-pressure storage vessels. From the storage, hydrogen is further sent to booster compressors, pressurizing it further for transport. Next, the compressed hydrogen is stored in high-pressure storage. The tube trailer delivery pressure, 520 bar, will be accomplished through cascade filling, first through the medium-pressure cylinders, and then with high-pressure cylinders. The facility will also have two stations for heavy-duty truck refueling at 350 and 700 bar. Finally, it is dispensed via safe and efficient nozzles. The plant will be equipped to fill 10 double-pod tube trailers per day, or 100 heavy-duty trucks per day, dispensing 100% production. With advanced electrical infrastructure, robust mechanical systems, optimized trafficking pathways for trucks, drop and swap facilities for tube trailers, and a dedicated 26-feet fire lane all around the plant. Our clean hydrogen plant is a clean and sustainable way to keep our supply chains efficient while combating climate change. And California is just the beginning. Avina is committed to building a network of clean hydrogen facilities across the U.S. The future of clean mobility is here. Let us decarbonize the world together.